Hey there, Wanderers! Welcome to WonderWorksLab, where we answer all your curious questions. Do you ever wonder how a bicycle works? Well, today, we're going to break it down and show you just how all those cool parts come together to help you ride. First, let's start with the frame. This is the main part of the bike that holds everything together. It's like the skeleton of the bicycle, keeping everything in place while you ride. And check out those wheels. They're round, of course, so they can roll smoothly on the ground. Each wheel is made up of a tire and a rim, and when you pedal, the wheels spin to move the bike forward. Next up, the pedals. When you push down on the pedals with your feet, they move a special part called the crank, which is connected to the chain. The chain is like a super strong necklace that loops around gears, and when it moves, it turns the back wheel. Fun fact, the harder you pedal, the faster the chain moves, and the faster your bike goes. Now let's talk about gears. Some bicycles have gears that make pedaling easier when you're going uphill or faster when you're on flat ground. Gears work like a secret power-up for your legs, helping you adjust how hard or easy it is to pedal. But wait, don't forget about brakes. They're super important for slowing down or stopping your bike. When you squeeze the brake levers on the handlebars, they press rubber pads against the wheels, creating friction to slow you down safely. Finally, let's talk about the handlebars. These are like the bike's steering wheel. When you turn the handlebars left or right, the front wheel moves in that direction, helping you steer where you want to go. So, let's recap. The frame holds everything together, the wheels roll, the pedals and chain make the bike move, the gears help you go faster or slower, the brakes stop you, and the handlebars let you steer. Cool, right? Now you know how a bicycle works. Next time you hop on your bike, you can impress your friends by telling them all about the awesome parts that make it go. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more cool videos. And if you've got something you've always wondered about, leave us a comment below. Who knows? We might explain it in our next video.